Okay, another mistake in the notes there. This is the quotient rule, not the product rule. And we have a genuine quotient of two different functions. So u over v, where u and v are different functions of x. And then dy dx is v du dx, take away u dv dx over v squared. Okay, so it's easier just to see how it works. So if we look at this one, u has to be the top function, the function in the numerator. So u is 1 plus 3x. V is x squared plus 1. So du dx is equal to 3, and dv dx is equal to 2x. So dy dx is v times du dx. So that's 3x squared plus 1. And note, when I say v du dx, this is the way I lay it out like this, because we go across there, and then we go across there. And it's easier to remember a pattern than it is to remember a formula. So we've got v du dx. This time it's a take away in the middle. U dv dx, so that's 2x 1 plus 3x, all divided by v squared. So that's the x squared plus 1 all squared. Now that's 3x squared plus 3. Take away 2x. Take away 6x squared, which is, over x squared plus 1 squared. And so that is 3 minus 2x minus 3x squared over x squared plus 1 squared. Now we have this one here, so u is equal to x to the half. And v is 1 minus 2x squared. So du dx is equal to a half x to the negative a half, which of course is 1 over 2 root x. Need to be good with your indices when you're doing this sort of stuff. dv dx is going to be twice 1 minus 2x times negative 2, which is negative 4, 1 minus 2x. So dy dx is going to be v du dx. So that's 1 minus 2x squared over 2 root x. Take away u dv dx. Well, this one's a negative, so that's going to make it a plus in the middle. So it's going to be 4 root x 1 minus 2x all over 1 minus 2x to the power 4. Now, having a fraction on top of a fraction is not nice, so we're going to try and simplify that. And the way to do it is, first of all, just leave that first term the same. And then with the second term, we want to put it over 2 root x as well. And that means we have to multiply the top by 2 root x. So 2 times 4 is 8, root x times root x is x, and then we've got 1 minus 2x. And that's all over 1 minus 2x to the 4. And then what we can do is this 2 root x that's in this denominator, now it's the same there, we can just slide it right onto the bottom. So we've got 1 minus 2x squared plus 8x, 1 minus 2x, all over 2 root x 1 minus 2x to the power 4. And we'd probably not need to in a question, but we could now actually sort the top out as well. So if we expand, it's 1 minus 4x plus 4x squared plus 8x, take away 16x squared, all over 2 root x, 1 minus 2x to the 4. So what does that give me? It's going to give me 1, add 4x, take 12x squared, all over 2 root x, 1 minus 2x to the power 4.